How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to my video on solving panic attacks. Basically, you've got yourself a Bravia 8. You realized, what the hell? Why is one bezel larger than the other? Dudes, calm down. Your TV is perfectly well. Dudes, don't you worry about it. It's basically a countermeasure to prevent screen burning. And to fix that, all you gotta do is basically go to the home menu. I was playing Final Fantasy there. Go to the menu. Oops, feature not menu. What's going on here? Actually, go to settings, picture and sound. Right? What the hell is going on here? No, Google thinks I'm talking to it. Yeah, picture and sound. Right? Scroll down again. And then you're gonna come, not there. What's going on? Right, then you're gonna go to expert panel settings. Then you're gonna go to pixel shift. You press that. It's turned on now. You won't be able to see my big bezels because it's very unnoticeable. So you're going to turn that off, press change. It's going to give you a warning. Press change, and then there you go. Your bezels are going to be back to normal again. Do not panic. When I first got this TV, I started panicking, thinking something wrong with it. But nope, it is a countermeasure for preventing screen burnings. Now, if you're going to ask for my advice, if you should leave it on or turn it off, guys, if you've got a warranty and stuff like that, just turn it off. I'm turning it off because if it's giving you a panic, imagine what's going to happen when you get a flipping a visitor inside the house thinking, what's happening with this guy? What's wrong with this TV? It's looking odd. But I'm not sure right now. I've done my research. I'm turning it off for myself. You can turn it off yourself, and I think it's not going to do anything. It's just there. Maybe turn it on when your TV's like 4 or 5 years old or something. But for now, I'm just going to turn it off, leave it off. Until further notice. One other thing as well that might give you a panic is at the bottom there's a bezel, and then on top of that it's completely like it's got a very big black thing going across. Unfortunately, that is basically nothing to be afraid of. It's normal. It's how the TV is built. That also scared me, but it's still 65 inches up to the bottom. It's just that it's got that big extra thing for no good reason. You can go ahead and watch every single Bravia 8 video. Each and every single one of them has that extra bezel thing on top of a bezel. Nothing to worry about right there. I've just made this TV for all of you Bravia 8 owners because I got a shocker. This TV cost an arm and legs and maybe a left eye and a right eye. But after paying that much, you would be very, very panicky if you think it's faulty, but it's not faulty. Anything other than that, it's definitely faulty. If you go, I don't know, there's some scary things going on, it is, you gotta return it ASAP. But with these things, rest assured, everything is all good to go. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Comment down below, what was the panic level? Was it over 9,000? Or was it, you already knew this and this video is stupid? Whatever. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button. Peace out, man.